If you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2025 in Apex Legends, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Apex Legends server status page of social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Apex Legends completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider restarting your router. Step 4. Update the game. Make sure that Apex Legends is updated to the latest version. Check your platform store for any available updates and install them if necessary. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the error persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Apex Legends. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the matchmaking error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Matchmaking Error 2025 in Apex Legends. If the problem continues, you may want to reach out to EA support for further assistance.